Very welcome to Arambagh Vivekananda Academy, and also congratulations to all the students who have been promoted from class 6 to class 7, and I must say that everyone have performed very good. And also heartiest welcome to the new students who have got admitted to this institution. And I must say that any problem that you're facing, please don't feel fear, or please ask freely. We teachers are there for you to solve your problem. So yes, myself, I must introduce myself, Sudipta Kundu, your chemistry teacher, and I will be taking your chemistry for this session 2021 to 2022. So as we have got the syllabus and we have seen that what are the chapters that are going to come in this exam, the first chapter that we have seen, that is fiber to fabric. I don't know, remember the chapter's name, maybe the chapter 3, I hope so. Whatever, we will look after this. So chapter, I will give in a YouTube channel in a description below that which chapter, that is fiber to fabric. Remember in class 6 we have learned the fiber to fabric, right? I must say that I shouldn't say that you haven't learned. You know what is fiber and we know what is fabric, and we have learned about certain, that is how we get this fabric, or how we get this fabric, right? So let's recapitulate it. We will recapitulate those things in this chapter only. Then we are going to deep about this, that what we are going to study again this month, same chapter, but what we will learn something new, and how it is different from your previous class. Now tell me how we get these clothes. Suppose these clothes, now as I am wearing these clothes, or clothes that we wear, now how we get clothes from where? From fabric, right? And where do we get this fabric? We get this from yarn. And where we get this yarn? We get this yarn from fiber. And from where do we get this fiber? We get this fiber from animals, plants, and sometimes chemicals, right? There are various processes excuse me. We know there are various processes that are involved from taking out the extract from the plants and animals, converting to fiber, from fiber to yarning, from yarning to fabric, and from fabric to clothes. And we have learned those certain processes in class 6. The same way here also, that some of the fabric like silk, wool, how we get this silk and wool, and what are the processes that are involved, we are going to study in this chapter. So these are the overview. Now these are the chain which are interdependent to each other. Interdependent means that I must say that that means if one of the process is missing, then all the other process will get ruptured. They are interdependent. From animals we have to get the extract. From animals we have to convert. There is so many process through which we will convert it into fiber, and from fiber there is another process which we will convert into yarn, and from yarn we will convert it into fabric. So they are interdependent to each other, and we cannot miss any of this process. This is a step-by-step process by which we do the conversion. Now let's do that. Let's see what are the overview. Let's have an overview that how we get that from animals to clothes. What are the overview means? What are the steps that we convert from animal or plants extract to clothes? Now see. First is, suppose whatever you want to make, like cotton or silk or nylon. First, what we do, we extract those things from the animal, plants, and chemicals, and we convert it into fiber. From converting into fiber, there are various processes involved. that we will, for different fabric, for different fiber, there are different process. Same process is not involved. Same process we have not involved, because we have seen that while converting from cotton, by getting a cotton from the plants and converting into fiber, the process is different. Same from jute plants, how to convert from the jute fiber, that is also different. Similarly, the different fiber has a different processes that we will study. From fiber we convert it into yarn with the process of what? By the process of spinning. That spinning. Gandhiji, have you remembered the Gandhiji Khadi spinning? He used to spin the cotton threads, right? That is means he used to convert into what? Into thread and make it a reel. যেটা সুতোর reel হয়. So that means through the process of spinning he converted into a yarn. And from yarn we convert into fabric. And what are the process involved? That is knitting, either knitting or weaving. And from fabric we convert into clothes. Clothes means that is with the help of which process? Stitching. Fabric মানে ছিট, যেগুলো বলা হয় না জামা কাপড়ের ছিট, that is called fabric. And by cutting the fabrics we make it into different type of clothes. So these are the process. These are the overview of how the natural fibers, we get the fiber from the plants and how it is converted into fibers, and then it is finally converted into a clothes. Means how we get these clothes. This is the overview of the things. Now let's have an idea. Since we are talking, first we have to learn about this fiber. Right? Now tell me, how many type of fibers are there? How many type of fibers? There are two type of fibers. And what are they? One is natural. Natural means you are getting an idea, that is anything, the fiber which is obtained from the nature, directly from the nature. And other is man-made, artificial. Better to say artificial. That means that is we don't get naturally, we synthesize them. So by the natural fiber means what are the fibers? The fibers we get naturally from earth. Fibers that we get naturally from earth. And what is man-made? Man-made means the fibers that can be synthesized from the chemicals. Synthesize means that we obtain, that we have to prepare, that can be prepared from the simple chemical substances. Now, like petroleum. Yes, petroleum is not only for driving car. It helps us to drive a car, petroleum or diesel. It also helps us to make a petroleum jelly. You have heard Vaseline, petroleum jelly, that is Vaseline, which we use to cure, like we use in winter season. Similarly, the same petroleum can be used for making fibers, and from that fiber we make our clothes. What type of clothes we will discuss. Now see, natural fiber, that means we get naturally from the earth. From earth means the earth থেকে পাওয়া যায়. And what are they? What are the natural fibers? That is we will get this fiber either from animals or either from plants. Right? Now see, we have learned in the class 6, right, that what are the fibers that we obtain from the plants? That is cotton, jute. Right? These are the fibers that we obtain from the plants, cotton and the jute. In this chapter, especially this chapter, we are going to learn that fibers that we obtain from the animals. And what are they? One is silk and the second one is wool. So that is the animals and the plant. We get the natural fiber from the plants and animals, and from plants we get cotton and jute, which we have learned in class 6. And in this chapter we are going to learn the fiber that we get naturally from the animals, like silk and wool, how we obtain them. And man-made, what are the man-made? Artificial. or artificial fibers that we get from the chemicals, that is petroleum, that is nylon. We have heard that word nylon, right? Or polyester. Polyester. So these are the fibers that we obtained either from naturally or from man-made. Right? So today we will discuss up to this. Since it is an introduction, I don't want to burden you and it is a first day. Next class we are going to study that is, as we know that what we are going to learn about this chapter, what we are going to discuss, what are the topics, that is that how we get whole answer. We will learn this in this next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.